Hello, good evening. Welcome friends to my channel SS Stocks. Thank you for watching the video. Before moving to video, I will request everybody to please subscribe my channel and like if you like the content. Frequently, I will be bringing great companies, their businesses, growth opportunities, and trading or investing opportunities in these companies. So today, this topic is for DCM Sriram. We will see what company is doing and is there any opportunity for future investment in the or trading in the stock. So we'll rightly jump into business. So this company is basically agricultural business. They have some different horizontals, but basic first is agricultural. In agri business, they are producing urea. They have their sugar factory, so they are also in the sugar. They are in farm solutions and also producing seeds. So basically all agri-based business is there, and some bazaar, Haryali Kisan Bazaar type of business is there. This is one segment. They are also in different segment like producing chlorine vinyl business. It is a raw material required for different companies such as caustic soda, chlorine, PVC compounds, PVC resins, cement, calcium carbide, etc. So this is overall, it seems that their business is diversified and this business will definitely grow in future because farming will grow naturally. These raw materials, which are the second business, chlorol vinyl business will also grow in future. So my opinion, this business will definitely grow in near future. Now we will try to understand financials of the company. This is this is screener site. On screener site, market capital of the company is 13,887. So this is mid cap company. Current price of the share is 890. If we see ROC, it is 16.3, return on capital employed. So this is good. ROE is 15.3. It is also good. Debt to equity is 0.31. It is manageable. So overall, basic financials seems to be good. Now we will jump to the quarterly results of the company. If we see quarterly sales, it was 1700 in 2018, and it is in the same range, and in fact increased in between, and up to December 2020 it was 2159, and March 21 it is 2191. In June, we all know there was second wave of corona, so I think little bit impact in June on sales, but overall sales seems to be consistent throughout all the quarters. Operating profit margin is also in the range of 17 to 14 from September 2018 quarters, and it was 14% in June 21. In March 21 it was 16%, and if we compare June 21 result with June 20, so results are almost same. In fact, June 20 sales were 1912, and it is 1957. So there is growth of 2.36% in June. Year on year quarterly growth is 2.36%. Also there is considerable growth in the operating profit. Net profit of the company 158 crores in June 21, and if we compare June 20 it was 69 crore. So overall quarterly results seems to be good. Now we will go to yearly financial results. So March 21 revenue was 8,308, and it is showing in March 10 it was 8,519. Then March 11 it was 4,000, 5,000. So it is clear that there is consistent either maintain or growth. In fact, it is grown in last 2-3 years, 18, 19, 20. 21. So it seems like that from last 3 to 4 years, this their sales has been increasing. Operating profit is also good. March 21, it was 1,152. So operating profit is also good. Operating company has produced good operating profit in the last 4 to 5 years. Interest company interest is also reduced in March 21. It was 1,164 in March 20. It is 122. This means company is reducing its debt. Net profit increased from 84 crores in 2010 to 673 crore in 21. So there is consistent growth in the net profit. So this company seems to be consistent performer based on financial results. Now we will go to balance sheet. Share capital 33, which is maintained. Reserves are consistently growing. So whatever profit company is earning, it is going to the reserves, and so company reserves are increasing. Borrowing 1,452, which is also reduced from last year. So company is reducing borrowing. So overall, this balance sheet seems to be good. Also, there is, if we see CWIP, that is current work in progress, it is 109 crores. In March 21 results, company has showed 109 crores. This seems that there are some capital work is going on, which is in process, and whenever this capital work will be in production, it will reflect into company sales. So in my view, this will be also reflected in coming years or coming quarters. So company sales will increase. Naturally, company net profit will also increase. If we go to shareholding pattern, promoters holding is maintained 66.53, FII is having 2.82, and DI is at 9.37, and everybody is constantly maintaining holding in the company, FIIs and DIs. This shows that big institutions like foreign institutions and domestic institutions has good confidence on the company. With public, there is 20.22. Amongst this 20.22 shareholding, there is almost 10% is with big hands. So only 10% of the shareholding is with public. So this point is also good from shareholding point of view. So overall conclusion, my view, this company is good performer. Future growth seems to be good. Business seems to be good. Profit margins are good. Company is not having debt, big debt. It is 0.31, which is manageable. Now we will go to technical part, technical charts. If we see that this company the stock has made high of around 1193 or 92.25 on 16th July 21. Thereafter, there is consistently this stock has came down, and now it has taken support at this level. It is 861 level or around this level. This was also previous support, and this stock again started in the upward direction. If we see 50 days, 20 days and 200 days moving averages, it seems that whenever this stock comes near to the 50 days moving average, it takes the support and moves upward. At least recently, this is the observation. Here it is taken support on 50 days, move upward. Here it is taken on 50 days, it moves upward. So here also it is taken support, or it is below 50 days moving average, and whenever it touches 50 days, there are possibility that this stock will go up. Also, if we see this support line, I just draw this support line for understanding purpose. It is always taken support along this line. So in my opinion, this in my opinion, this uh, possibility of this share price going down is less. So downward risk seems to be less, and it is very near to support. This support is at least twice this point is taken the support. This line is taken the support. So an upward position, at least it will try to go all-time high, recent all-time high, which was around 1200. So if we take this 1200 from current price, it is 34% growth possibility from this point. And I think this definitely this share will go beyond that price also. But recent in short term, this seems in coming months, I think this stock will definitely achieve this price. But saying that, I am just we are just trying to learn how we can see technical opportunities in any stock based on fundamental business management. I'm not recommending to buy or sell of any stock. You please consult your financial advisor, or you study yourself and then only invest in the stocks. We are trying to learn. I am invested in this stock, but you please consult your advisor before investing in the stock. Friends, if you are not open Demat account now, please, in description box I have attached the link. You can open Demat account from Zerodha or Angel Broking. Zerodha, I think they charge some 200 rupees. Angel Broking is free. So you can click on the link and you can open the account. Another important point, please subscribe my channel if you like the content. Thank you very much. Till then, take care. Bye bye.